Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in a minute how to remove objects from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So if you use CapCut as your video editor, you can remove the objects from your project from your video. Let's start by tab 1 of your project. So I took this video from library, so you can practice yourself by editing video from library. So all you have to do is tap on the first video and make duplicate this one, and tap on the first video again, make overlay. As you can see, there are two video here. On the second video, you can tap it, and try to search the mask. This one, mask. So you can use mask with the rectangle or a circle. So I use rectangle here and use it on the blank space like this. Try to resize with the same size, this one, and done. And try to cover the objects or this person. As you can see, the person is gone now. You can add keyframe to cover a more of covering. This one, let's cover again. So let's try to play again, replay, so you can upload this project into PC version if you want to edit more. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.